What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be a special one because I'm going to be showing you how to get free Google Play gift card codes in 2023. I'm dressed like this because Google are going to hate me for this video, but it's well worth it, guys. Today's video is going to show you how to get a $250 gift card code for Google Play. These codes, when you redeem it within the Google Play Store, are just going to give you a balance to spend across anything on the Google Play Store. Now, I'm going to be recording my phone screen and putting it here so you can follow along at home, and let's all get some codes together, guys. So let me just record my screen and I'll get into the tutorial. Okay, so I've opened up the internet on my mobile phone and I've gone to Google. And I'm just going to type in Google gift card hero. Hopefully you can type better than me, but we're looking for giftcardhero.net, guys. You can go directly to the website as well by simply typing in your internet www.giftcardhero.net. Now this page has tons of different stuff on. Press menu at the bottom, the green button, go to search and type in Google. And this is what we're looking for, the free Google Play gift card page. Tap to open it up. There is a full guide on this page if you wish to read through it. However, just press this green button that says free Google Play gift cards and you're going to be greeted by this page here. Now this is the cool page, guys. Scroll down and you can see there are 3 gift card codes you can choose from: $25, $100 or $250. Now I'm going to choose the $250 and I think you're all going to choose the same. Now this is in dollars, but it will be in your local currency, so it doesn't matter if you're not in the US. You can see what it's doing now. It takes around 30 seconds whilst it looks for a unused code that it can allocate you, so just be patient. You can see it's looking for a 16-digit gift card code. Okay, cool. So you can see it's found us a code here, but we need to unlock the last 4 characters. This basically just protects the codes from robots. So click on the show full Google code. And this verification we need to pass is super easy, so don't panic here. Just follow the instructions. We just need to complete 2 of the 3 offers listed below. Now these offers are sort of application installs or completing surveys. Super easy, and they only take a couple of minutes, and we're getting a $250 code, so it's well worth it, guys. So you can see there is a description below each offer on how to complete it. So just choose 2. I'm going to click on this top one, which is a survey, and just need to follow these steps here. Answer whatever questions. And I need to input my email and some other information. So I'm going to choose another one. Let's just click on this survey. I like doing the surveys, I find them pretty easy. Okay, and I need to input my email here. So I'm going to do both of these surveys off camera. I can see I'm already at 3 minutes, so I'm going to do these, enter in whatever information it needs, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just finished both of those tasks. Took me maybe a minute, maybe 2 minutes, at most 2 minutes. But once you've fully completed both of them, entering in your information of whatever it asks. So if you choose a survey, just input your email and whatever else it needs. And once you've fully completed 2 of them, go back to your tabs. Go back to Gift Card Hero, and you can see it's now given me my $250, I should say, Google Play gift card code. These codes are one-time use, so one of you can grab this. I'm not going to use it, but this is going to be used pretty quick, so you need to go and get your own, and you can do so by going to giftcardhero.net, following the instructions in this video, and in what maybe took me under 3 to 5 minutes, is going to give you a gift card code and save you a ton of money, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you need any help, leave a comment below. I'm always willing to help you out. So yeah, thanks. I'll see you next time.